Hello guys! Napadaan kami dito sa isang gasoline station kasi nag-stop over kami for a long drive. So kailangan namin magpagasolina. At nakita namin ito. Wow! Sweetness overload! Tingnan nyo, nakakamanghalang tingnan. Ang ganda kasi iba-ibang klase. Pero hindi kami bumili, mahirap na. Nag-stop over lang kami just for a pee break. At the same time for just to put some gas sa aming vehicle. Yep, tara tingnan nyo, oh. Iba-iba, di ba? Ang ganda. Nakakamangha talaga. Yung iba nga, hindi namin alam kung anong pangalan nito, but it's looking good. Look at this one, different kind or assorted kinds of candies. And on this side, maraming iba-ibang klaseng gummies. Tiga gummy bears, gummy worms, and gummy candies. So colorful. My pamangkin's gonna love this one. Thanks for watching.